Hello everyone, I'm here ranking the Warrior Cats books. So, if you know how the S tier, if you see the S tier is really good, A tier is good, B tier is okay, C is not that good, and D is terrible. I'll just put D as terrible / I haven't read. There's a lot I haven't read, but I might just leave out like the mangas. I think that's a manga. Okay. Let's start. Let's start with the first series. Into the Wild. I do like Into the Wild, but it's not my favorite book, so I'll put it in the actually, yeah, I'll leave it there. Fire and Ice. I didn't like Fire and Ice, but I don't hate it. Forest with Secrets, it's okay. I'll put this in the B tier. Ooh, Rising Storm. I love that book. But I'll put that in the... You know what? I'll put it in the S tier. Dangerous Path. It's good, but I will put it in the A tier. And The Darkest Hour. I love The Darkest Hour. It is my favorite Warriors book of all time. S tier, yes. Okay, let's move on to the second series. Well, we all know what that is gonna be. I hate the New Prophecy. It's kind of boring. Okay, Power of 3. The site, it's okay, but not that good. Same with like Dark River and Outcast. But Eclipse and Long Shadows are better. As well with Sunrise, I also really like, so that'll be an A tier. The fourth series. Okay. Oof. It's okay. So I don't know. Like the fourth series is like a mix. To seem like it's okay, but it's also So I'll put maybe C, B, and okay. In Shadows. I actually haven't read Vision of Shadows in a long time, and I forgot all of it, so I'm sorry. I'm reading the Warrior series for the second time now, and I will come back to it. Okay, now the Super Editions. Also, I've not read the Broken Code either. I've not. Okay. Surf. Haven't read that. I haven't read much Super Editions. But Blue Star's Prophecy, I really like that. It's really nice. Well, it's not nice, but I like to read it. Welp. And that is my tier list. That's all of it. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.